Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? Long time no see, but I hope you are enjoying your happy and safe learning at home. I, Amrita Kesharwani, will teach you English grammar, English reader, and physics also. Okay, so for your interesting, I have chosen a very interesting topic for you from English grammar, that is sentence and its kind. So let's start our class. So students, what is a sentence? I think you have learned and you know very well about sentences. Okay, for example, if I say, how are you? So this is a sentence. If I say, I am pretty good, this is a sentence. What about you? What about you? This is also a sentence. But if I say, I find good, it makes a sense? No, it is not making any sense. I am good, I am fine. These sentences are making sense. So these are called sentences. Okay? So let's start. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, contains a main verb, and begins with a capital letter. So, any sentence without any sense is not a complete sentence. For example, if I write, I, girl, am, a. So, is it making any sense? I, girl, am a. No, it's not making any sense. So, this is not a sentence. But if I write, I am a girl. So, it is making a complete sense. So, a sentence always starts with a capital letter and makes complete sense, then only it is called a sentence. A set of words that is complete in itself, typically containing a subject and predicate. So, as you all know, what is subject and predicate? I am a teacher. This is your sentence, class. So I is your subject and the rest part of the sentence is called predicate. No need to explain. You also know subject plus predicate is equal to sentence. Okay? Yes. So any sentence which contains subject and predicate and makes complete sense. Either it can convey any statement, a question, exclamation, any command consisting of a main clause, sometimes one or more subclauses. Okay, so that is called your sentence. A sentence is a textual unit consisting of group of words. So what is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words that are grammatically linked. Okay, so let's study next. Okay, kinds of sentences. So there are many kinds of sentences, but basically five kinds of sentences are there. First is declarative sentence, second is interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. Okay, no full stop is there, beta. Okay, don't put any full stop like this. Okay, so there are five kinds of sentences: declarative sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentences. So first of all, you have learned what is a sentence, and now kinds of sentence. Declarative sentence. So first we will study declarative sentence. A declarative sentence. The declarative sentence merely makes a statement. Any statement. For example, she is a beautiful girl. That boy is running. She is a good teacher. They speak English fluently. So all these are declarative sentence. Okay, it makes a statement. It may be affirmative or negative. Okay, affirmative means positive. Affirmative means positive and negative means not sentences. Okay, the sentence which contains no, not, never are called negative sentences. Affirmative sentences, simple statements. For example, I am your friend, I am your teacher, she is a doctor, they are children, these students are playing. So these are all examples of affirmative sentences. Next is negative sentences. Negative sentences commonly includes the negative particle not. Okay, it can also include never. Okay, and don't, do not. Okay, so these are all examples of negative sentences. We will not tolerate this. You are not going to market. You are not a good friend. Okay, so all these are examples of negative sentences. Next, interrogative sentences. Interrogative. What is the meaning of interrogative? Question mark, questions. Okay, so interrogative sentences are basically question sentences. The interrogative sentences ask a question. The question may be either of two types. Okay, either the question is asked by varying the subject and a predicate of a declarative sentence in word order, or you can say it is a yes no type question. Okay, which type of question? First one is yes no type question. Okay, you have to change the position of subject and predicate. You hear, है ना, and will hear. So you have changed the position of your subject and verb, and you got a different structure of a sentence. That is called your interrogative sentence. And which type of interrogative sentences? Yes no question type. Okay, second one. Okay, let's see the example. Will you bring your book? Will you bring your book? क्या तुम अपनी बुक लाओगे? So the answer will be either in yes or no. Yes, I will bring my book, or no, I will not bring my book. Second one. Or the question is asked by using an interrogative word. Interrogative word is what interrogative word? WH word. Interrogative word is WH words. Who? Okay. What? Why? Where? है ना? So this is called the WH family. Okay, WH family words. So this is your homework. You have to write WH family. Okay, the words of WH family. Who broke the glass? Who broke the glass? Okay, so answer will be she broke. She broke the glass. So the answer is not in yes or no form. It is a complete sentence, complete statement. So this is called your WH. Okay, WH question. And this is first one is your yes no type, and second one is your WH type. So this is all about interrogative sentences. Okay. So next one, imperative sentences. Imperative. The imperative sentences expresses a command, order, or request. Okay. The sentences may be order or request. Example, do be a bit more careful. Okay. So this is an order. How to recognize? Order. How to give an order? Come here. Your teacher gives order. Yes, come here, go there. Come here, go there. So all these are examples of order. Second is request. So first is order, second is your request. So what is the request here? Please leave your footwear outside. Please leave your footwear outside. Please remove your footwear outside. Okay. So these two are examples of your what? Imperative sentences. Done? Okay. Let's study next type. That is your exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Exclamatory. What is this? Exclamation mark. So, any sentence which contains this exclamation or exclamatory mark is called exclamatory sentence. So, what is the meaning of exclamatory? Exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden emotion of surprise. Okay? Sudden emotion of surprise. Exclamatory sentence always end in an exclamation mark. I showed you. Okay? This is an exclamation mark. Example. This is the best day of my life. So it is a feeling, sudden expression of what? Happiness. Okay? So it is showing your, what is it showing? It is showing your happiness. Expression of what? Happiness. Happiness. So this is the best day of my life. Second example, the river is rising. So I am surprised. So it is the feeling of surprise. How the river is rising. Why? Why the river is rising? Maybe because of flood, maybe because of heavy rain. The river, the water, the level of water flow is increasing. Oh my goodness, I won. Right? Oh my goodness, I won. So it is also again showing you happiness. Okay. Oh, now the battery is dead. So it is the expression of sadness. Okay. Or you can say it's a normal sentence which showing that it is he is intense. That the battery is dead. Okay. Getting class? Exclamatory sentence. You can write, many more exclamatory sentences. Hooray, we won the match. Okay, this is the sudden feeling of happiness expression. Optative sentences. Optative, okay? Optative, what is the meaning of optative? It must be, okay, full of expression of being optimistic. It is called optative sentences. When we give blessing to someone, okay, expresses pray or wish. May God bless you. Would that I were your friend. May your wishes all come true. Are you getting class? Are you comfortable in English only? I think yes, you can understand. You are in an English medium school, definitely you must learn at least English in English only. Okay, if you get any difficulty or any problem, definitely I will explain you. So please share your doubts on WhatsApp group and I will solve all your queries. So class, thank you for today, and before ending the class, I would like to tell you that you have to write at least five sentences of each kind of sentence. Okay, so this is your homework for today. Done, class?